good for now. Hi Nape Nation, welcome to yet another banger video. Yo guys, I am so stressed out because right now my house is full of ipapuns and anxiety because I am supposed to be going out with my friends soon. And I've just been making sure my windows are closed, doors are closed, calling the people that come for papu and stuff like that. Yo, guys, so stress, guys, stress. I have not showered, I've not done anything, and I literally have plus minus an hour before she gets here. Hopefully, when she does get here, I can just close the door, jump in. Because I was reason being is because the bin wasn't taken out last night. So they came and guys and packets and stuff like that. So they're just rummaging through there and they're sitting like as a whole herd. I will show you guys, but even when I open the window and they all just look up and look at me, ew, I stand anxiety for my eyelashes. Ew, I said that's me telling us. I had to go buy tweezers as well, because I stress tweezers. But yes, and you have no idea about where you placed them the last time. Not it. So I got these, and it was only 2 for 35 rand. Got them at cosmetics. So yeah. And then this time I got this set. I got this set this time. Guys, please don't mind my one nail that's off. I got this set this time. Instead of like doing like the full lash thing, because when I watched that video back, I was like, it's not working out. So how about we try something else? So I'm gonna try this and then we will see at this time. She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything. She can take me for everything. It's a whatever thing. Think that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. And this is the finished touch this time. Look, guys, they're so pretty. Like, you know, and they look so natural as well. And even the side profile is fine this time around, you know. So yeah, they're so cute. By the waterfall. Yeah. Okay, give me that. You're giving me away how one thing I want to steal it. Maybe, I don't know, because I assume that like this place would be full because it's school holidays now, kids are out of school, so I assume like families would come here. Also, it's like a halal restaurant, so it's like, you know, like it makes sense. But I mean, it's actually very cute. I wanted to show you guys the waterfall that's that side, but they're busy constructing it and stuff like that. So yeah, the video finally. We got 2 mocktails. I got a strawberry daiquiri. She got a blue ocean. I don't know, is it blue passion, blue ocean? I don't know. But it's actually so gorgeous. Like, I'm actually jealous. Looks like it tastes better. But yeah. We're still waiting on our food. We ordered a platter for 2. Hopefully it's going to be delicious. And yeah. I like spices, not too much. So hopefully the food will be, you know, doing what it needs to do. Thank you. Oh my goodness. It's giving. Our food has arrived. Okay, am I supposed to dip it into something? So, let's see. Spicy. But it's good though. So bad. This. Okay. So my friend likes vegetables, so she's probably gonna have all of the veggies because I am not a veggie person. It's not pork, eh? Oh shit, sorry, I keep forgetting. Let me have a taste of this. This chicken. Let's have a taste of the chicken. Let's see. So did you ever hang out with the baby? Why is the chops are so good? Yeah. Hi. Sorry. What happens in this room? Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. Hi. Yeah, we're good. You guys' food is amazing.
It's like at least a few days.
Cute. Okay, guys, we just came back from a fine dining experience. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Yay. People were here the whole day just chilling. It is.
She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything. She gave me for everything. This is whatever thing. Hey, did I treat it like it's a whatever thing? Trust me, girl, she did everything.
Girl, you are.
She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else. Ride it undercover. This shit is everything. This shit is everything.
They not to cheers. Cheers.
I used to hit you about everything. Oh, we still good.
So I'm using this got to be. Now I don't know what way to even not got to be. I'm using this eco gel. Now I don't even know what way to show you guys. Can you guys even see? Do I do this? I'm using this eco gel for my edges. And yeah, let's see how it works, because I was originally using this and it works wonders. Like, it's so good for edges, but my problem with it is it leaves residue behind, and there's a teeny residue at my big age sana. Yo. Okay, well, this side is not bad, but I ended up actually mixing the two. Let's hope that there won't be any residue from me mixing them together, but we will see. And then I'm gonna put on these earrings. Silver. Yeah. More. I made Mr. Price Sloker. Tom, we're gonna wait. coffee, maybe like a muffin or something, and then we're going to head home.
Starting a little bit dark.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry because I'm just not tired. So what's new? What's new in my life is that I am turning 23 soon. 23 soon. 2023 on the 23rd of July. So what does that mean? That is my current birthday coming up. And thank you so much. Thank you. I was thinking, why they consider
Straightening, straightening, yeah. Straightening, straightening, yeah. Don't nothing get straightening but straightening. Don't nothing get straightening but straightening. Don't nothing get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like
2023 soon. I've been wanting to do a video that says 23 things before I turn 23. 23 things that you should know before you turn 23. Or 23 things that you've learned before turning 23. And I think number one is you have to be open to meeting new people, and we are. Thank you so much. You have to be open to meeting new people and making new friends at every stage of your life, because I feel like when we grow up, or when we leave high school, we have that thing where we're like, yo, I'm gonna stay friends with a certain person for like a certain age. Then you go to the workplace, you make a new friend, and then you have, guys, I don't know if it's a thing, but low-key you have friendship guilt. I honestly feel like you have friendship guilt. Like, don't you feel guilty when you make a new friend? Because like, man, I've got a bestie, I've got this, I've got that. So it's like, how is the other person going to receive it? And it's just a whole range of emotions that you're like trying to, deal with. You know what I mean? So yeah, but that also goes with being in a healthy friendship, and you knowing that, okay, your friend wouldn't mind you having another friend or being close to someone else. It doesn't take away from their place in your life. So that's number one. It's okay to make new friends. It really is okay. Number two that I've learned, second thing I've learned is it's okay to prioritize yourself. It's okay for you to come first. It's okay for you to put your needs first. Like, it's okay. Like, sometimes you feel like pressure. It might come from family, it might come from friends, it might come from whoever. And you're just always putting people first, like, constantly. And you're like, oh, you know what I mean? Let's say, for example, you don't have money to go out, you don't know how to say no. Like, I've learned now that I'm 23. But it is okay to say no. It's okay to, actually, three things. It's okay to meet new people, make new friends. It is okay to put yourself first. And it's okay to say no. It's okay. If someone is truly meant to be in your life, or they're truly your friend, they're not going to take offense to the fact that when you said no to something. Like, it's okay. And fourth thing that I've learned, I think maybe I might make a series of this, because I don't think I will have a chance to finish it completely, because I don't even know about when I'll finish this video in general. But fourth or fifth thing that I've learned is you will get your heart broken. Dive in. in a good relationship, you're bound to get your heart broken. Like, and you're about okay, you're running away from heartbreak, you're saving yourself, you're only gonna get into a relationship at a certain age, because like certain people, certain things, certain behavior, whatever. You're bound to get your heart broken, and it is okay, because at the end of the day, you will know what to look out for next. Yeah, but there's no one that doesn't have their heart broken. You know what I mean? So just make sure that you are ready. Yeah, but when you meet that right person, you are ready. So that you come healed, like you come fine. This is sorted. And even if that person does something, then you know, but it's not on you. So yeah.
I caught with your I don't see you ever. No, yes. You're too busy. I did not see
you. Sixth thing that I've learned is it's okay not to be okay, because there's so many things that have happened. Like we had, as you guys know, but there was a death in December, things like that, and I didn't know how to portray like an outlook that's like, oh, okay, like I'm still okay and stuff like that to you guys. Oh well, I did try. I tried my hardest. Then there was a time where I just completely just took a break and I just went off, you know. And I felt so guilty when I came back and I wasn't posting as much and I wasn't being as consistent as I used to be. But then I learned about, like, it's okay to take a break. It's okay not to be okay. It's okay to take a break and just process and see, okay, what has changed? What can I change? How can I deal with this? How can I deal with that? Yeah, well, and I feel like once you become so consumed with your work, especially if you're doing social media, you start to think about, I can't go missing, like I can't miss out on this, I can't miss out on that, like I'm members out and stuff like that. But it's okay not to be okay. It's actually okay. So yeah.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your head down, to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind.